Hello and welcome to this demonstration of Azure Active Directory Join in On-Demand Migrator from Quest. Right now we are logged in as our user Joanne to the perfect Active Directory domain. We can verify this by using the dsreg command /status. As you can see, this machine is only domain joined at this time. When we check back in at our ODM AD console, we can see that Joanne's machine already has the target environment set to Azure AD. The machine has also been reackled. To prepare for the Azure AD join, we will need to have configured the Azure join profile. If we click Edit and look at our profile, you can see that the target domain has been set. We have configured the bulk enrollment package using Windows Configuration Editor, along with setting the credentials to join our Azure AD tenant. When we go to the hamburger menu and select Configurations and Repositories, we can see that the Azure bulk enrollment download location has been set as well. Now that we have everything configured, it's time to issue the Azure AD join command. We do this by selecting Joanne's machine and going to the action bar and selecting Azure AD cutover and clicking apply. We give it the profile we created previously and click apply and OK. We can now see that the Azure cutover status has been queued. As we check in with Joanne's machine, we see that there is a prompt to let the user know that they're going to be signed out and the machine is going to be rebooted. While that machine is rebooted, we switch back to ODM AD and can now see that the Azure AD cutover status is complete. When Joanne's machine comes back from reboot, we log in with our Azure AD credentials. And as the machine is booting up, we now must walk through the Windows Hello setup. The user may be asked to authenticate using the Windows Authenticator app or SMS access code. In addition, the user will need to set up a login PIN as well. When the login process is complete, we can see that Joanne has access to her same profile as she did when the machine was on the Active Directory domain. And if we run that same dsreg command, you can see that her machine has been successfully migrated to Azure AD using Azure AD Join and On-Demand Migrator from Quest. Thanks for watching and have a great day.